Jake here from Car Kingdom Southend with a beautiful Blue Audi TTRS. This is absolutely fully loaded from the factory. It's the sort of car that we love having in stock. So we'll take you for a walk around tour, really honest overview of the condition of this vehicle so you can make your own mind up from there, and we'll go through all the specs. So starting on the passenger side, we've just had these wheels finished in a super silver metallic, which really accentuates all of the lovely little features this car's got. We've got Yokohama tyre on the front, plenty of tread left on that. We have those stunning carbon ceramic brakes. They have been checked over by Audi and they have lots of life left in them. They do last a long time. Looking at the bonnet, we do have some tiny little stone chips. As you get up close, you will expect a few little stone chips. Some of them have been touched in previously. The lights look in really good condition, and the bottom splitter looks great also, along with all of the sort of chroming around the front grille. Coming round to the driver's side, we have a tiny little speck there, if you can see up close, has been touched in. Got a lovely tyre on the front, Yokohama, again, plenty of tread left on that. And once again, brand new, freshly refurbished alloys with the carbon ceramics at the front. Awesome feature. Stops on a sixpence, this car. It really does do it justice. Looking down the side now, the wing mirror casings are all in one piece and look clean. And as we just check out the overall condition of the door, no dents, scratches, marks or anything of the kind. It's also got the advanced key on this car, so you've got full keyless entry. So all you do is put your key in your pocket and away you go. Tiny little mark just here on the back that's been touched in. Petrol cap looks in good condition. Once again, the wheels themselves have been freshly refurbished, so no marks on those to comment on. We also do have the blind spot assist on the wing mirrors as well, so on the inside, I don't know if you can see that there, but that all works as it should. The TTRS spoiler has the Quattro styling pack as well, so little features that you get is this sort of matte sort of chroming around the back. Having the RS dynamic pack, you get black exhaust tips with the exhaust button too, and the bottom rear diffuser looks in all good condition. The Matrix OLED rear lights, they look absolutely awesome. You don't see many TTs with those, but they do really set it off. So they look really cool. We've got the rear camera on the back as well, just underneath there, so every time you go in reverse, works as it should. Quarter here, looks nice and clean, nothing to comment on. Front and rear sensors as well, all work as they should. Coming down here on the passenger side, once again, alloy wheel itself has been freshly refurbished, so nothing to comment on there. Plenty of life left on those pads as well. And as we just look down the passenger side, no dents, scratches, scrapes, marks, everything in the car down here. So overall, really clean car, very well presented, and just, yeah, looks absolutely incredible in this colour combination. So let's step into the inside of the TTRS. Once again, this car is fully loaded. On the door card, you're met with this lovely Alcantara and leather armrest with the Bang & Olufsen surround sound. So it has got the sound package on this. You've got the OLED heated seat buttons and all the aircon controls in the middle. Electric seats at the bottom here, and the leather looks overall in really good condition. Even the bolsters themselves, there's no marks, and the bottom one has some creases, but it's in really good condition. Looking at the steering wheel, the Alcantara is all in good condition too, so it looks really nice there. We've got the RS dynamic exhaust buttons down the bottom, rear view camera just come up at the moment, handbrake with the auto assist as well. Just turn that on, it's in park at the moment. Aircon controls blows really cold, exactly as you'd expect. Got the key at the bottom with the armrest, which comes up, moves around, and yeah, just a splendid little place to be, really. Really good cabin, everything works as it should. Let's just have a look in the back of the vehicle. Really lovely and clean there also. Engine just ticking away as it should.